Hey there, and welcome to Frankie's DIY Life. If you've been watching any of my videos, you'd see that I tried to make two sweaters into one on one of my videos. And here is that top piece that I used. And I just never was crazy about it. I wore it once, and I just wasn't crazy about it. I wasn't crazy about how the patches were and stuff. Anyway, you know how you love some things and some things are just okay and some things you just really don't care about. Well, this is one of those things. So I took that bottom half off and I'm going to try it again. Except this time I'm going to be using a shawl. And so it's pretty much just going to be a straight stitch all the way one and done. So let me show you the shawl. Here's it sounds like my husband. It was him. I don't know where I put the peanut butter. Okay, so here's the shawl. It's a real cute little shawl. It's got all these little pom-poms on them. You see that? Anyway, I am going to use this for the bottom half. So I'm going to take it to the table. I'm going to show you how I'm going to pin it on. And then I'm going to run it through the regular machine. Just do a straight stitch on it. And I'll be done with this project. And I think it'll look a whole lot better. You know, sometimes you do things, it turns out great. Sometimes you think, let's try it again. This is one of those times, so bear with me. All right, so here's the center of it, and it just makes it like a little circle V shape. Okay, so I've got it all pinned on, and then what I'm fixing to do is just take it to my regular machine, and I'm going to do a zigzag stitch just along this edge right through here till I get to this side. So let me change the thread on my machine, and let's get to it. Okay, I'm trying to get the camera at an angle that you can see. Not sure if you can see it all. I'll get it on Sally B in a minute and let you see it, but I'll tell you, this has got to be the easiest project I've ever done. I like the little pom-poms on there. I think that makes it look cute. Simplest project to do. You just go all the way around, find your middle point, and then here's the tails after it kept going. So you just stop and just let them drop. And it's way better than the first time I tried to do it. So scratch that first video. This is the video for this one. So I like it. I hope you like it too. Let Sally B try it on. And then here's the back. Thanks everybody for watching. This is Frankie's DIY Life. This is a upcycled project, I guess you would say. I upcycled something I already tried to upcycle, but anyway, this is the second result of that, and I like it a whole lot better, and I hope you do too. So it's just a shawl. That's all you do is just sew it around, and you're done.